Hi, I'm Megan Natuvle and I make interactive floor and wall software, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your LUMOplay free installation to a paid version if that's something that you want to do. It's really easy. To get started with this, the first thing you're going to need to do is go to lumoplay.com and register an account and download LUMOplay free and install it. So if you haven't done that yet, just go to lumoplay.com, register an account. You'll see the installer link in your dashboard and you can install that and then come back to this video. It's also not necessary to install LUMOplay free as a first step if you want to just go ahead with the full installation. I'll tell you when I reach the step that you would normally reach if you're planning to just install your paid version right away. So once you have LUMOplay installed on your computer, you're going to see this interface. It'll be the news section, whatever the news is at that time. You will probably not see the cat in real life on your floor, but you will probably see the cat in the news images because he just can't keep out of our stuff. You'll also have access to whatever the free apps for the month are. These change every single month, and we have a schedule posted on our website if you want to check out what's coming next. To upgrade, there's a big yellow Upgrade Now button. You're going to press that, and you're going to upgrade to a new license. If you haven't already purchased a license, you can click one of these buttons to add that license to your cart. It'll take you to the website and you will upgrade from there. And once you have a license, you can click the purple Activate button. I'm just going to move him out of the way because he's on the button. So you'll click this purple Activate button. Tell it you want to activate now. And then it'll take you through a few steps. So you can choose from one of the interface languages. And then click Next, and it'll ask you for the email address and the password that you made to register your account on lumoplay.com. So I'm just going to type in mine. You definitely want to make sure that you're saving these passwords because we don't have access to your password. So if you lose it, you will have to reset it through the site. You can just go to the website and request a password reset. But we often have people that set up email accounts specifically for their LUMOplay installation, and if you lose access to that email account and then you lose your password, there's nothing we can do for you. So it is really important to write down all of your login credentials so that you don't lose them. And now, depending on the license that you own, you're going to choose between the two licenses. So I have a Playmaker subscription. You may be signed up for a Lumo Playground subscription. If you have Playmaker or Playground, it's going to show up in this list. If you don't have a paid subscription, you won't see anything in this list, and that'll tell you that you need to go and buy a license. So I'm going to select Playmaker. And before I advance to the next step, just a word on activation keys. Activation keys are one-time keys that are sold through resellers. So if you bought a kit from Simply Nook or another reseller and they gave you an activation key for LUMOplay, this is where you would enter that key, and you only enter it in one time. After that, you use your email and your password for everything. So most of the time, you're not going to use this activation key unless you bought your system through a reseller. It's really important to give your installation a name. This helps us support you, especially if you have more than one installation. So I'm going to call mine Floor. And the description is something that we can use to find out where your installation is, but it's completely optional. If you don't want to enter anything into this field, you don't have to. And then on the next page, you're going to be given an option to opt into data collection. None of this is identifiable data. This is us collecting information about the camera that you're using and the type of computer that you're using so that we can aggregate that information and improve the software for the types of computers and cameras that people are using the most often. Again, this is completely optional, but it really helps us a lot if you opt into the data collection. And then once you click Next, you're all upgraded and you'll see access to every app in the library. So it won't be limited to just the free apps, and you'll have access to all of the tools that were not accessible with free. and that big upgrade now button will be gone, and there will be no more ads on the apps. So that's how you upgrade your software. If you already bought a license and you don't want to go through the process of installing free, basically you just choose your license tier on that page that shows you your options, and it'll say your license tier as well as LUMOplay free. So just choose the paid license tier instead of LUMOplay free, go through the same steps, and you're good to go.